best Android phones in 2025 are going to be better than ever, and they're going to send the competition back to the drawing board. Our first major Android launch of 2025, the OnePlus 13, is one of the best phones we've ever reviewed, and we couldn't find anything to complain about. It's almost too good. Now let's see what phone makers launch next. The new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite made a huge difference in that OnePlus 13, giving it the best performance we've seen, and also the longest battery life. We're expecting the same platform to drive Samsung's Galaxy S25 family, and Samsung has sent invitations for its Galaxy Unpacked event on January 25th. The event could shake up this list considerably. The Google Pixel 9 Pro was our pick for the 2024 phone of the year, beating every other Android and iPhone 16 Pro with its stunning new design, improved durability, amazing display, and even its useful AI tricks for photos. If you want the latest AI features, Google still makes the Pixel 9 its standard bearer for Gemini and everything machine learning. Keep watching for the best Android phones you can buy today. The OnePlus 13, the best Android phone. The OnePlus 13 is a phone that can do almost no wrong. It tops our charts in performance with its Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It's also the best phone for battery life thanks to the gigantic 6000 mAh battery inside. It helps that you can charge it faster than almost any other phone, even if you're charging wirelessly. It's simply an astonishing phone all around. The Google Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL, the best Android AI. The Google Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL introduced a fresh design to the Pixel with a sleek camera pill that replaces the bar. Despite this makeover, we still enjoyed using these phones with their signature Pixel strengths, which is innovative AI, impressive cameras, and a vibrant display that outshines the competition in brightness and color. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the best Android camera. You won't find a phone that does more than the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but where this phone really pulls away from the pack is in its camera capabilities. If it only had the big 200MP sensor and maybe a single zoom lens, that would be a great camera phone, but the Ultra does more, so much more. In addition to the big sensor, the Ultra offers a 5x optical zoom. Whether you're shooting for the moon or just taking shots of your kids on the field, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is up to the task. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, the best premium Android. The Galaxy S24 Plus is no longer the ignorable middle child of the Galaxy S family. This time around, the Galaxy S24 Plus is a big step up from the Galaxy S24 in all the right ways. Plus, it has all the top performance of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, without all the features you don't need. Do you really need a pen with your phone? The Galaxy S24 Ultra was our previous best overall phone, but most people don't need that much. The Ultra is a bigger, heavier, and more expensive phone than the Galaxy S24 Plus without much added benefit. Google Pixel 9, the best Android for everybody. The Google Pixel 9 is a delightful phone and the easiest Android phone for us to recommend to everybody, especially folks who just say, I just want a phone that works. The Pixel 9 arrives in Google's striking new Pixel look with even better color options than the Pro model. It takes photos that can be mistaken for Pro, and it has the same Google Tensor G4 processor inside. The biggest difference between the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro isn't the zoom camera on the Pro. The Pixel 9 takes great photos that are even better for sharing, since the phone keeps things to a scant 12 megapixel. Videos look great. The color quality on the photos we took with the Pixel 9 was excellent and nearly identical to the Pixel 9 Pro shots. The Google Pixel 8a, the best budget Android. The newest phone on this list, the Google Pixel 8a, gives us everything we want in an Android phone for less than $500 or 500 pounds. We get the best performance Google offers since it uses the same Tensor G3 chipset as the Pixel 8 Pro. That also means it gets the same promise from Google for 7 years of Android OS updates from the time it launched in May 2024. The Pixel 8 has a smaller display and it's a joy to hold and behold. It comes in a couple of flashy colors, including Google's favorite new Bay Blue and the bright Aloe Green, and it's more rounded and curvy than previous Pixel A series. Sadly, it has the same battery troubles as past Google bargain phones, but that's Google's compromise. You don't lose out on the best AI features on this phone, and it has the same Google Gemini LLM and Magic Editor features in Google Photos that you'll find on the Pixel 8 Pro, our new pick for the best AI phone. The best thing about Google's A series may be the discounts they get throughout the year, but this phone feels worth its price right now. It takes great photos that look remarkably similar to the shots we took with our Pixel 8 Pro, and it performs well in every way we'd expect from a Pixel phone. The best Android phone for most people is the Pixel 9 because it's an affordable way to get all of Google's best new AI features and Google's refined Pixel interface and software. The best premium Android phone is the OnePlus 13 because it offers the best battery life, the most refined interface, and the most durable design with IP69 certification. Best Android phone for people on a budget is the Pixel 8a, which costs roughly $499 to £499. The Pixel A series phones are a popular discount item when Amazon puts smartphones on sale. If you want to spend less than that, Samsung Galaxy A devices are the best value. Android and Apple's iOS each have their fans, and there's very little that iOS can do that Android can't. There are many more options, features, and oddities available on Android devices than iOS has ever seen, so Android has a reputation for being more complicated and experimental, while also allowing for more customization and more powerful overall features.